Hey everyone, Creative Venus here. So please subscribe to our channel, join the membership, hit the like and share button. Thanks for all love and support. Before moving further, let's watch this. What if you get video converter, compressor, editor, downloader, and slideshow maker in just one tool? WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe is an all-in-one video processing tool for your video requirements. It supports 4K and it's fast. This program quickly converts 4K HD video shot with GoPro, DSLRs, iPhone and Android devices and compresses quickly to popular formats like MP4, MP3, HEVC, AVI, etc. You can easily play these videos on iPhone, iPad, Android devices, game consoles, HDTV, and etc. Moreover, it supports video editing like cut, trim, crop, merge subtitle, adjust video frame rate, resolution ratio, and more. You can easily upload the video and share with friends. With level 3 hardware acceleration technology, it can speed up video processing by 16 times with no quality loss. You can get the giveaway license by participating in WinX HD Video Convert Deluxe giveaway. For more information, refer to the links in the video description. So let's start the tutorial. So in the beginning, you have seen this beautiful infographic that we are going to design today. So let's start. First, insert this circle, make sure it's completely round. Its height and width should be same. Remove its outline. Change its color to white. Apply shadow effect. Make sure the shadow is a bit large and distance is good, as you can see on our screen. Of course, you can change these sliders as per your requirements or choice. Now insert this another shape and it's kind of pie chart, and click on the yellow dots to reduce its angle. So this is a 6 steps infographic design, and this is one of the step where we have placed this blue shape. Similarly, we will place 5 more such shape by reusing this shape only. I have always mentioned in my previous presentations as well that in PowerPoints the best part is we can reuse the shapes, that saves time. So here I am adjusting the angle and shape and making sure that it is well aligned. You can use the grid lines as well to make sure that it is perfectly placed, or you can draw this straight rectangular shape to match the corners if the corners are in the straight line. And you can see it was not in the straight line, so this rectangle is very helpful. Now send it to back, and we need 2 such shapes. So for that, let's slightly increase its width and reduce its width. So I'm doing it in real time, so I always try to redo the things to make sure everything looks good. So here I'm repeating the same process. I've inserted the rectangle to make sure that the corners are in the straight line. Now we will duplicate this shape and flip it vertically. And now we have this shape ready. Now we have 3 shapes on the left. So we will mention 3 points on the left and 3 on the right. So now comes the color part. For color schemes, you should follow the color scheme of your brand and the presentation template that you are using, because it will not look good if there are 30 slides in a presentation and out of those 30, 29 are of similar color scheme, and uh, one is created using a totally different color scheme, so that will not look good. All the slides should follow a color scheme in your presentation, and you can use various online sources. You can Google as well. There are lots of sites which provide free color schemes, color palettes. In fact, you can search color palettes on Google Images, you will find lots of options. So here we are applying shadow effects on these three shapes. So this design is not complex. It looks complex, but it's not. Till now we have inserted these four shapes, and out of these four shapes we have reused one shape 3 times. Now select these three shapes and duplicate and flip horizontally. And as I said earlier, we have these six shapes, 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Now insert this hollow circle, reduce its width, the outline width, and place it at the center like this. Remove its outline. Let's use this light gray color. So you can see as our base shape is ready and it's coming out really nice. So now insert some random items here like this shape. Remove its outline. We will fill some nice pattern here. So these shapes and random items give a very nice and techy look to any shape or design or business diagram. So this is more suitable for some technological background related to some IT field, engineering field, or industrial field, because these small components that I'm adding here gives it a theme of a technological infographic design. So here select a template with straight lines or angled lines. Here I'm just trying different patterns and sizes. Now insert another hollow circle here. Reduce its outline width, align to center. Now insert this shape here, this pie chart shape, and we will subtract the previous shape using this shape. You must be thinking what I'm doing here, but you will come to know. So we have kept only this part. Rest of the part we have removed from this circle. So we will create a similar kind of shape to on the left side as well. For that, again insert this shape, reduce its outline width, and similarly we will again insert that pie chart shape. I don't know the names of these shapes, I just remember them by their looks. Place it like this, select both, use merge shapes and subtract, and you are left with this. Apply a nice light gray color here. So now you can see a nice infographic design is coming out. Now let's insert another circle here. Make sure it is well placed, center aligned. Do not fill anything, only keep its border, the solid line. So reduce the height of this pattern background shape and duplicate it. Slightly increase its height and width and remove its fill. So change fill to no fill for this duplicated shape. Send to back, select no fill, and we will only keep its solid line. Increase the width of the solid line, change it to dotted solid line. So you can play with these options here until it looks good on your screen. Change its color to light blue here. So here I have also changed the line color for the background circle as well. So our infographic based shape is almost ready, and we can now further modify it. So let's create another slide. We can keep it as a backup. In the second slide, we have to reduce the size of this infographic shape because we want to add 6 text items as well. Now we need to create the placeholder shapes for the 6 points that we want to add, and for that we have duplicated this white center circle and place it here. Similarly, we will place 5 other circles. So this part is very easy. You just need to pay attention to the alignment only here. Rest is we just have to reuse the components. You can also duplicate the items by pressing Ctrl and drag the item, and you will get the duplicated item. Now comes the icons. From design point of view, icons are very important. It helps user understand the content better. It enhances content consumption because if you see icons there, you can easily understand the text, like this text means this. So make sure your icons are always correct, and icons also help in making any design look good. So now I have inserted these 7 icons, 6 for the small circle and 1 for the center big circle. For the 6 icons I have reduced the size. So let's place these. Before that, change the color to this vibrant blue. I call this color vibrant blue because it's very vibrant, very bright. And you know how to place the icons, you just need to drag and place. Just make sure icons are center aligned and middle aligned with the circle. So you can always use icons on every slide, and icons always look good, and you can place them in every slide. Now in this part we will add text here, and this part is also very important, how to place the text, the visibility of the text. So make sure the text is readable and it is perfectly aligned. There is a proper heading, there is a subheading. If you want to mention some number or stats, make sure the number is big enough so that it can be easily visible, and always write very less text in presentation. If you want to write long sentences, then there is a Word document by Microsoft. You can use that. Presentations only need small text. So I have used dummy text here, and you can replace this text with the information you want to present here. Also check out Google Fonts to get some awesome fonts. You don't have to use Arial and Calibri every time. There are thousands of fonts out there. Try those fonts. Now in this part we will further beautify this infographic. There are some small steps that we will follow. The first one is we've applied this gradient color on this shape. Similarly apply the gradient color on this shape as well. So these are some last moment touch-ups. What else we can do here? Let's write the heading here, like some business process or something. So for the time being I've written creative winners, but you can change it. So we have placed it at the center. Make sure it is center aligned and it is in the middle of the circle. Now duplicate this shape and place it here as well. Because there is no point keeping it only on the shapes at the center, the circular shapes at the center. It should be on all the 6 circles. Also extend this pattern background. So now it's looking good. Now let's insert another circle, and this is our last step in this infographic design. And next will be the morph animation. So in the next part we will learn how to insert the morph animation. Let's first fix this circle, increase its width and send to back. Apply this light gray color. So here you can try different things. You can also try to add pattern in this circle, but I am keeping only color. A light color will look good here. So now comes the morph transition part. For that, select all these shapes and duplicate the slide. Now select all these shapes and place it here and increase its size like this by dragging it and place it out of the slide area. Apply morph transition on this slide, and when you will view it in the slideshow mode, it will appear like this. So here we are showcasing it again. It will look like this, but all the components are coming from top. So let's select only the components at the center and place it towards the bottom of the slide. So from this slide, when you will press next and when you will go to the next slide, infographic will appear like this. So that's how morph transition works. So it looks really nice. The animation is very beautiful. Now comes the part where we have added text. As you have seen in the beginning of the video, what we have done is we have placed some text on different slides and applied morph transition on all those slides. So like we have written here hello and apply light gray color, align center, align middle. So it will look like this in the slideshow mode. And when you will press next, this infographic will appear. So this is how we have applied that effect. Similarly, we will duplicate and we will keep on writing the stuff. So we have used 7 to 8 slides where we have placed text and applied morph transition. So this is how you can keep on adding the slides and keep writing some text here. So morph transition is very easy, but make sure in the text slides you have to select characters from the effects option. So this is the final outcome and I hope you will like this design, and this is a very awesome and unique kind of style that we have followed, and this is really awesome. And you can try this kind of style where there are few text slides in the beginning and then appear the process infographic design. So this will act as a very surprising element for the viewer as well. So please share your love and support, hit the like button, subscribe button, join the membership, and share this video with your friends, colleagues, and within your circle, and share your thoughts in the comment section. So you guys have been such a lovely audience, and if you watched this video till the end, so thank you very much. Thanks for support.